Finding your ideal class schedule just got easier with Schedule Planner. To access Schedule Planner, you will need to navigate to My Zoo and log in. Once logged in, you'll select Student Center, and then under Academics, you'll see Schedule Planner. Click there. First, you'll need to select the term you want to plan for and the sessions you're interested in. The top of the Planner homepage has filters to help you narrow down exactly what you're looking for. Next, you'll want to add courses. You can search for courses by subject, attribute, or instructor. Next, let's add a break. You can add breaks for work, sports practice, or any other times you do not wish to take classes. Add the break name, start and end time, and days of the week. Back on the homepage, you can see detailed section information by clicking on the gear icon. Lastly, once you add your courses and breaks, click Generate Schedules to see all available conflict-free options. Click View to see a detailed view of the schedule. When you've chosen your ideal schedule, you'll click Send to Shopping Cart. Next, you'll confirm some information about the selections in your cart. Now you're ready to click Register and Continue. Once registered, you'll be taken to your current schedule page. From here, you can edit or drop classes. Remember, as you're planning, you can always print your schedule, email it to your advisor, friends, or family, or favorite it to come back to later.